Hello guys, and so today we will be making cheese, jalapeno with bell pepper and onion pizzas. These are three types of pizzas, so let's just get started. And also it is a cooking video, so let's just get started. So here is the pizza, and here too, and here. Okay, so guys, we have three pizzas, and now we put the sauce on it already, and on the side and on this one. So now we're gonna be chopping the toppings. Yeah. So guys, we have chopped the onions, and now we're chopping the bell pepper. So guys, now we're chopping the jalapenos. And so guys, it depends how many people, how many pizzas are you making it for, and how many people you're making for. And if you like spiciness, you could put it. Now we're gonna be putting the toppings inside of the pizza. You're gonna put the onions and spread it around everywhere around the pizza. And guys, one thing more, you have to put the pizza on preheat. And now you have to also put it in the other pizzas too if you're making another one. And guys, if you guys spotted that one, that's just for extra. That's why it's super small. And you guys heard the beeping noise? That was why, because the now the oven is preheated. So now it's almost gonna be time to put in the pizzas into the into the oven. So see you guys when we put the pizzas in the. And so guys, before putting the pizzas in the oven, forgot to tell you guys that first we put the bell pepper and now the jalapeno inside. Actually guys, a little bit of the plan has changed. We're gonna be making 2 jalapeno, bell pepper, and onion, both the same, and 1 cheese. And also guys, the main thing I forgot to put in cheese. The cheese is the main part. So now we're gonna be putting in some cheese. So sorry guys if I spoke a little bit in my other language when I was speaking, but never mind. We are now putting we just put some. And so guys, now we just put the. So guys, now we're gonna be putting the pizzas into the oven. So let's get started. And so guys, now the pizza is now baking inside, and see you guys back when the pizza is done baking. So guys, and now we're gonna be taking out the pizzas. We just took out only one right now, and so guys, the pizza is very nice. Smells very nice too. And we put that pizza in there for about like 10 minutes. The other ones are still not ready, so maybe it'll take them still about like 15 minutes, maybe. Who knows? I mean, 5 more minutes because 10 minutes have passed. Okay, so see you guys later. And now, guys, we are just serving the pizza onto the dish. And so, guys, now we are putting the whole pizza onto this dish. Wow, looks yummy. That one just fell off. Nice. And so, guys, thank you guys for watching my video today. Hope you guys like this video. Please, guys, like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye.